Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to trade leverage on Tradingview. So as you can see, this is the official website of Tradingview, and if I just go to the trading panel, and from here you can see all the broker list. So make sure to connect your broker account with your Tradingview, and once you connect your broker account, so you will only be available to leverage trade with the broker's account. Let's say I'm working on the Binance, so you will have to set the leverage on the Binance app, and after that you will be able to leverage trade on the Tradingview. So as you can see, someone also has asked the same question, and the simple answer is first you have to activate and set your preferred leverage in the Binance settings specifically for each currency pair. If you have set the leverage to 5x, you now want to enter your, let's say, $100 account into a 5x leverage trade, you'd have to open a position in order panel of approximately $500. As you can see, what you need to do, if you just have $100 and you want to leverage of $500, so this is a simple process. And if you would just open a $100 position with 5x leverage on a $100 account, Binance would only actually utilize $20 of your account and fund of the rest of the trade. So as you can see, this is the rule, simple rule on how you can, let's say you want to set leverage on 5x or 10x or whatever your amount is. So you will be able to do it through the broker's app, and this is a simple process you will have to set individually, and after that you just need to open the trade on 5x balance and you will be able to utilize it and trade leverage with Tradingview. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.